How to add songs onto your Instagram story. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can add songs into your Instagram story. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick in the video. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up your Insta and log into your account. Now here you can tap on the plus icon there on the screen and head into your story tabs. Once here, all you have to do is simply go ahead and select the picture that you would like to add to your story, right? Once you're done, so now in order to add music, you can see the music tab at the top. If you do not find the music tab there, you can tap it on this icon, and then here you should be able to find the music option. Now here, simply go ahead and you can search for music or browse through available ones here, and then select it and add it by cropping it here down below. So you can see here, select the part that you would like to add, the lyrics, whether you want to turn it off or add, and then you'll be able to add it. This is how you can add music to your story on Instagram. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further questions.